Hi guys, nag-apply ako dito sa Native Camp. So, nagturo na ako dito mga 7 years ago na. So, ngayon, bumalik ako and mabilis na yung process ng application for Native Camp. At ang gusto ko dito is yung pagtuturo is repeat after me lang. So, hindi mo kailangan na gumawa ng your own lesson plan. So, unlike na iba na tinry ko, gagawa ka ng lesson plan para sa student mo. So, dito, nasa step 6 na ako. So, teaching methods. So, step 1, dito sa learning kit nila. So, meron sila mga procedures. So, step 1, so, kailangan mong, you have to study the learning kit and prepare for the demonstration or demo lesson for your next step. So, pag binuksan mo to, yung learning kit nila, so, meron ditong rule number 1 is English only policy. So, you have to use only English during your demo lesson. And then, stay in a quiet room, syempre. So, you have to keep indoor and outdoor noise levels to a minimum. So, meron kang mabibili na yung mga noise-canceling microphones or headset rather to avoid interruptions during lessons as much as possible. So, dapat no eating and drinking then. So, for you to focus on lesson. So, using social media and cell phones are strictly forbidden. And then, lastly, the rule is you have to stand by for 15 minutes before the training. Okay, so here we have the lesson flow. Sa lesson flow naman nila, number 1 is you have 2-minute warm up. So greet your student, check if your student can hear or see you, check the preferable speaking speed, like am I speaking too fast or am I speaking too low? So you have to check the selected textbook if it is the lesson that he or she have chosen for that lesson. Okay, so for lesson textbooks, you have to follow the instructions written in red. So meron siyang guide for you to teach your students. So use the chat box efficiently. So pag may mga vocabs or mga phrases na hindi niya masyadong na-pronounce correctly or clearly, you can chat it sa chat box. So, fulfill students' textbook request. And then, you have to wrap up and give feedback, like asking your student to repeat new words after you as a teacher, and then you repeat it 3 times. And then, ask your students to repeat mispronounced words after you 3 times. And then, ask your student to repeat grammar corrections after you 3 times. So, meron ditong demo lesson textbook. So, daily news, advancing flavor science, smart tongue. So, meron din sila mga tutorial videos na pwede mong gamitin para sa iyong lesson. So, ito muna yung learning kit kung anong meron, yung steps ng teaching method number 1. Okay.